Oh yeah, the orange creamsicle crush. Watch this. So we start off with some corn syrup. So we rim our glass in that corn syrup, and then we hit it with that nice sugar. Guys, that is coarse sugar. Look at that. You see how beautiful that sugar is? That's not regular sugar. That's the coarse kind of sugar. Like coarse salt, but coarse sugar. Okay, ice in our glass. Hit it with some whipped cream vodka, followed by some orange vodka. Beautiful. Then come over that with some orange juice. Beautiful. And then we give this a nice shaking. Shake, 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 shake. Okay? Put in crushed ice because there's no ice like crushed ice. Beautiful. Then once we got our crushed ice in there, we pour in our delicious mix. And just look at that flowing down there like that. Oh, yeah. Put a little orange slice on the side. Now we come over with a little bit of cream. Okay? Beautiful. Just let it drizzle down. Let it do its thing. Put in a cute little paper straw. And there you have it.